Hello YouTube, this is Ekim13. I have not made a video in a while, and I'm excited to be making a new one. So, this is going to be an overview of my light airsoft gear. I use this gear essentially when I'm going to be playing a small game just between a couple of friends, and I don't need to carry excess weight, I guess. So, okay, we'll start with my head. I have a green boonie hat that I got some camo netting material. Plan on adding more, so it's like kind of like a ghillie suit. No, I mean that's the wrong word, but you know, like a like material, so it looks kind of, I guess, the same principle as a ghillie suit. Then I've got a face baklava, one hole. It's a very nice material, easy to breathe through, and very comfortable. And it pulls down easily, and it's great for stopping pain, keeping your face safe. Normally I'd be wearing goggles or safety glasses, but I just figured it would be easier to do it this way. So we'll start with my gun. It's a G36C. It is a very high quality gun in my opinion. Great for its price. I have a NC Star 4x30 crosshair scope on this thing. It's all sighted in, it works great. The scope mount allows you to see right down the sights. So if I'm doing CQB, I can see right down those sights. Works great. Then I've got a little hand grip with the laser for CQB as well. Then I've got, let me put this down. There we go. Then my top, it is all just plain woodland camo. Nothing special. In the top, I have speed loader, usual. Keep in mind I may have a little bit different stuff in my actual combat gear, depends on the situation. I'd have some CO2s, much like this one, if I was using a CO2 powered gun, or just for my friends. Spare batteries for my G36 or whatever it is I'm using. A huge bag of BBs, you know, good to have with you. So, of course, getting a huge firefight, you're good to go. Then, here, I got my kind of like homemade drop-leg holster type thing. Took a Crossman holster, a piece off of a suitcase, sewed it up, put a loop on it. I think it looks pretty awesome. Works great. Then here I've got my Set 8. I thought it was HFC, but it's actually HG160XA. It's a full metal, fully automatic, semi-automatic airsoft blowback, powered by green gas. It's an awesome gun, extremely accurate. You know, has a real sound, has pretty good kick. Just great feeling gun. Might be adding another magazine for this shortly, but I can't really see it happening immediately. A little bit low on moolah. I normally have boots on, like just normal hiking mountain boots, you know, standard. And this is pretty much my airsoft loadout for, you know, standard shootout. I'm noticing I'm not carrying any spare magazines. The idea for this loadout is it's going to be a short fight, and I'm not going to need it. My heavy loadout will have a vest, helmet. I'll have enough ammunition to last me, you know, long time. But if need be, I might clip 2 clips together on this, so I have plenty of ammunition. But, you know, And my look here is, I guess, going for maybe like a spec op soldier. Not really sure how to say it, but you know, you get the point. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned for more. Should be making more this summer. Enjoy.